Good day, Grade 3 learners! Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 4, Day 2. Our topic for today is reading and writing money values up to 10,000. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Activating prior knowledge. Identify each coin and bill and say its value. We have 5, 10, 20, another 10 and 1 peso coins. For our bills, we have 1,000, 500, 200, 150, and 20. Lesson purpose intention. To read and write the value of a number of peso coins and bills up to 10,000 in both symbols and words. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. Who here have visited a bank with an adult? Why do people go to the bank? Correct. People go to the bank to keep their money safe, take out cash, or borrow money when they need it. One important reason is to save their money when they put their money in the bank. This activity is called making a deposit. When someone makes a deposit at the bank, they usually need to fill out a cash deposit slip. Total deposit. It is a section of the slip. In this section of the slip, the person needs to write the amount of money they want to deposit in both symbols and words. Joy earned money by selling bibingka last Christmas. Now, she wants to put the money in the bank for her savings. Joy needs to write the total deposit amount in words and the amount in symbols. What does Joy want to do with her earning from selling bibingka last Christmas? Correct. Joy wants to deposit her money in the bank for savings. Number 2. What different bills do you see in Joy's money? There are 1,000 peso, 500 peso, 200 peso, 100 peso, and 50 peso bills. What different coins do you see in Joy's money? There are 20 peso and 5 peso coins. What does Joy need to know before filling out the bank cash deposit slip? Joy needs to know the amount of her money in both symbols and words. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Below are possible ways of determining the amount of money. Solution number 1. Joy's money. Count each money starting with the highest value. Use skip counting for the bills and coins of the same value. Joy's total amount of money starting with the highest value and counting continuously. 1,000 bills, 1,000 bills, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 500 bills, 4, 5, 5,000, 5,500, 200 bills, 5,700, 5,900, plus 100 bills, 6,000, 6,100. 50 bills, 6,150, plus 20 coins, 6,170, 6,190, 6,210, 6,230, 6,250, plus 5 coins, 6,255, 6,260, 6,265, 6,270, 6,275. How much money does Joy want to deposit in the bank? Correct. Joy wants to deposit 6,275 peso in the bank. Therefore, the amount 6,275 is written in words as 6,275 pesos. Below is suggested work replicating the total deposit section of a cash deposit slip. Total deposit in words 6,275 pesos and in symbols that is 6,275 peso sign. Here is solution 2. First, count how many of each type of peso coin and bill she has. Then find the amount for each type. Use skip counting when needed. Finally, add all the amounts to get the total. Joy has 4 1,000 peso bills, 3 500 peso bills, 2 200 peso bills, 2 100 peso bills, 1 50 peso bill, 5 20 peso coins, and 5 peso coins. So here is the chart for that money. Add the amounts for each type of peso coins or bills. 4,000, 5,500, 5,900, 6,100, 6,150, 6,250, 6,275. Therefore, the amount of money Joy will deposit to the bank is 6,275 pesos. Do the other activity for deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Posted also the expected answer. Making generalization and abstraction. To summarize the lesson, how do we write the amount of peso coins and bills in symbols? Always start with the peso sign. Then write the amount of peso coins and bills. Writing the amount of money in words follows the same process as writing number in words. The only difference is that when writing money involving peso, we include pesos at the end. For example, 1,250 in symbols would be written as 1,250 pesos. Evaluating learning. Determine the total amount of each set of peso coins and bills. Write your answer using both symbols and words. Here is the possible or expected answer. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!